Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to the Ultimate Travel Adventure Channel. It's your buddy Arthur here, your go-to guy for all things travel. And let's be real, who's ready for a vacation? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time explorer, I know I am. Sun, sand, and hopefully, no disasters. Imagine yourself lounging on a tropical beach, sipping on a cool drink. But wait, travel isn't always smooth sailing. That's why we're serving up the top 10 things you should never do on your next trip. Think of it as your travel survival guide, packed with laughs, tips, and maybe, just maybe, a little bit of wisdom to keep you out of trouble. Buckle up, Buttercup, it's about to get real. Get ready for some fun, some learning, and a whole lot of adventure. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase thinking, well, I might need 12 Hawaiian shirts. Newsflash. You won't. Trust me. No one's impressed by your ability to pack your entire life into a suitcase that needs its own zip code. Pack light, people. Unless we're talking snacks. Always overpack the snacks. Look, I get it. You're on vacation, you want to let loose, but remember, you're visiting someone else's home turf. So, take a minute to learn the local customs. No one wants to be that tourist who accidentally offends the entire country because they used the wrong hand to eat their dinner. Unless that's your thing, then go for it, you rebel. Okay, I'm going to be serious for a second. If you travel all the way to Italy and order a cheeseburger, I'm judging you. Hard. Part of the adventure is trying new things, and that includes the local cuisine. Who knows, you might discover your new favorite food. And if you don't, well, at least you have a funny story to tell. Forgetting travel insurance. Don't let a sprained ankle break the bank. Nobody wants to think about the what-ifs on vacation, but trust me on this one, travel insurance is a lifesaver. It's not just about covering the big stuff like flight cancellations or lost luggage. It's about those unexpected moments that can turn your dream vacation into a financial nightmare. And by lifesaver, I mean it could save you from emptying your bank account if something goes wrong. Imagine having to pay out of pocket for a medical emergency in a foreign country. The costs can be astronomical. Because, let's face it, a sprained ankle in a foreign country is way less fun when you're worried about the medical bills. With travel insurance, you can focus on getting better and enjoying your trip, rather than stressing over how to pay for treatment. So, before you pack your bags, make sure you're covered. It's a small investment for peace of mind. Overplanning, relax, it's vacation. I love a good itinerary as much as the next type A personality, but even I know when to chill out. Don't overschedule yourself. Leave some room for spontaneity. You might stumble upon a hidden gem or have a chance encounter that changes your whole trip. Plus, who wants to come home from vacation needing another vacation? Not learning basic phrases. A little effort goes a long way. Look, I'm not saying you need to be fluent in every language, but learning a few basic phrases can go a long way. Hello, thank you, where's the bathroom? These are your new best friends. Trust me, locals appreciate the effort. And you'll avoid those awkward mime routines trying to order a cup of coffee. We live in a digital world, I get it. But what happens when your phone dies? Or you wander into a dead zone? Learn to read a map, old school style. Write down important information. You know, like they did in the olden days. Think of it as a fun little challenge, like a real-life escape room, but with fewer puzzles and more gelato. Listen, I'm all for winging it, but a little research goes a long way. Look up some local customs, find some hidden gems, and for the love of all that is holy, read the reviews. No one wants to end up at a 5-star restaurant that's actually a hot dog stand with delusions of grandeur. Let's be real, tourists are prime targets for pickpockets. So, be smart. Keep your valuables close. Don't flash your cash around like you're in a rap video, and for Pete's sake, use the hotel safe. Remember, you're trying to relax, not star in a real-life episode of Locked Out of My Hotel Room. We're all guests on this planet, so let's treat it with respect, shall we? Don't litter, stay on marked trails, and for the love of all that is green and good, don't carve your initials into ancient ruins. Seriously, who does that? Remember, take only pictures, leave only footprints, and maybe a few good vibes for good measure. That's it, folks. Your crash course in avoiding vacation fails is officially complete. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Now go forth and travel wisely, my friends. Whether you're exploring new cities, hiking through nature, or just relaxing on a beach, make the most of every moment. And remember, the best trips are the ones filled with laughter, adventure, and maybe a few stories that start with, "Remember that time on vacation when..." Those are the memories that last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your travel buddies. Your support helps us create more content to make your travels even better. Safe travels, and remember, the best trips are the ones where you avoid these epic fails. Until next time, happy adventures and may your journeys be filled with joy and discovery.